Making money with ConvertKit involves leveraging its email marketing and automation features to grow and monetize your audience. Here's how you can do it. Build and grow your email list. Create engaging opt-in forms or landing pages to capture emails from your target audience. Offer valuable lead magnets such as free ebooks, webinars, or exclusive content to encourage sign-ups. Promote your products or services. Use ConvertKit's email campaigns to showcase your products, services, or digital courses. Craft compelling email sequences to guide subscribers through the customer journey, from awareness to purchase. Affiliate marketing. Monetize your list by promoting affiliate products that align with your audience's needs. Create segmented email campaigns to send tailored affiliate offers to specific groups. Membership or subscription offers. Use ConvertKit to manage subscribers for paid newsletters, memberships, or Patreon-style offerings. Automate renewals and send exclusive content to paying members. Sell digital products. Use ConvertKit's product selling features to sell ebooks, courses, or templates directly to your audience. Send automated follow-ups to boost sales and provide customer support.